Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Vivi and I usually share crochet tutorials video in this channel. But today I have something a little different and super exciting. If you want to see what Gsjj has to offer, stick around because we are diving into all the details. So first we have this cool looking lanyard, and I think they included this as a gift. Now let's open the patch, and I'm very excited about this. So for the design, I made this based on my old profile picture that my friend drew for me. You can design almost anything with Gsjj such as patches, sketching, stickers, and more. The design process was simple, the team was super responsive, and shipping was quick. If you are thinking of getting some made for yourself, I will drop a link to Gsjj in the description box down below. You can upload your own design here and they will send you a digital proof before making them. So before I end this video, I just want to say thank you again to Gsjj for sending me this package.